Good morning, Miss. So I don't know why nobody joined. We just have 11 participants today. So I'm going to share screen, or I already shared screen. I will allow you to unmute yourselves. Okay, so let's start. As you know, usually the last session of the week will be a wrap up for the whole lesson. So let's start. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. First of all, as you all know, this lesson was the countable and uncountable nouns. So we talked about the meaning of countable and the meaning of uncountable. And we said that usually countable nouns are nouns that could be counted, and uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. So we define them in a different way. So this chart, as we explained it, was the most important one in the lesson, in which it explains the differences between countable and uncountable nouns in details. So we said that countable nouns are nouns that could be counted, and uncountable nouns that could not be counted. So we can say a picture, an umbrella, an apple, and so on, while uncountable nouns cannot be counted in this way. We talked about a very important point, which is that countable nouns can take singular and plural verbs, while uncountable nouns only take singular verbs. And this is a very important point. We also talked about countable nouns which go with a, and my, and that uncountable nouns do not go with these. We talked about something very important, which is that uncountable nouns can be used as an or a or one or two. When we are talking about a cup or a glass or a bottle, so when we say a bottle of water or 2 cups of tea and so on. We also talked about a and an, some and any. A and an are a group, and some and any are a different group. We said that a and an are used for singular countable nouns. But the difference is that a is used with a consonant sound and an is used with a vowel sound. So we say there is a bottle and there is an apple. So other than that, we talked about some and many, which are very important, especially when we're talking about affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So we said that some is used with the affirmative form, while any is used with the negative and the question form. So we can say there is some cheese in the fridge, there isn't any cheese in the fridge, and is there any cheese in the fridge? Okay. So we solved an exercise also related to these. We also explained something very important, which is the quantifiers. We said that the quantifiers are words used at the beginning of noun phrases. They are used to express an amount of or degree and the amount of something, and they are used also with persons. We said that there are different kinds of quantifiers. Some of them are used with countable nouns, some of them are used with uncountable, and others are used with countable and uncountable nouns. We also solved an exercise related to these. Now, I'm going to move to this. Okay, guys, just can you tell me, did we solve this exercise or not? Yes?
I don't think so.
No.
Okay, let me explain this exercise. This exercise is very interesting, by the way. I'm just going to put this here to move this to here because we're going to use these together. Okay, in this exercise, they're asking you to complete the sentences logically. When we say logically, it means يعني we have to think based on logic, منطقيا. Okay? Using these quantifiers, the one that we explained. Let me do the first one for you. There is water in the desert. Into based on your knowledge and based on the things you know. In the desert, is there a lot of water?
No.
No. So that water is a countable or uncountable noun? Water is uncountable. Very good.
Uncountable.
And I go to the quantifiers here and I look at them because I need an uncountable quantifier to use it for water. نحن قلنا إنه in the desert ما في كتير مي, there is no water, يعني there is no large amount of water. So which one of these quantifiers would be logical to use?
A bit.
A bit water, very
little.
Very little, excellent. All of them are correct. A millionaire has money. Into based on your knowledge, when a person is a millionaire, it means he has a lot of money or a bit of money.
Lots of money.
A lot of money. Type money is a countable or uncountable noun?
It's countable.
Countable. So I go to the quantifiers and I look at the countable nouns. Which one of them could we use?
A large number. A large number of
A large number, a great number, very good. Very good. A majority of money and so on. So I want you to continue. Let me do number 3 for you and you will do the rest. There is nitrogen and H2O. And H2O, I don't know if you know this, but in H2O, there is nitrogen, but a very little amount. Okay? So, this is uncountable أكيد. There is a little nitrogen or a bit nitrogen or very, very little nitrogen in H2O. Okay, based on our prior knowledge. Yalla, continue. And of course, you can use these quantifiers, يعني the ones that you are used with countable and uncountable nouns, okay? I will try to zoom so that you will have both. Okay, you will have both slides. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, go ahead, start. Done, miss?
Yes.
Yeah, let's start. So number 4, the flag of USA has stars.
Several.
Several, excellent, excellent, miss. Number 5, there are fish in the Atlantic.
There are plenty of fish.
Plenty of fish, excellent. Very good. Yes, Lamar. Monkeys have
Monkeys have lots of hair.
lot of hair, very good. They have chicken and puppies every day. So they have chicken and puppies every day. We can say a large number or a large quantity of chicken. Yeah, number 8, there aren't good movies showing. Yes, Adam.
There aren't any good.
There aren't any good, very good, because here it's a negative sentence, so we said there aren't any. Very good. I don't have money, I only have. Yeah. I don't have what?
Much.
I don't have enough.
Enough
money.
Excellent, excellent. Enough.
Oh,
I don't have enough money. Okay. There are hospitals in.
Plenty of.
Plenty of, many. Very good. Very good. So all of your answers were excellent. Now we're going to move to this slide just show us the quantifier and what is the quantifier used for, yani the meaning, and if it's used with countable or uncountable. So as you can see, little, few, a lot of, many, much, any, lots of, and some, their meanings, and if they are used with countable or uncountable. Now we have only this exercise. This is the last exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with much, many, lots of, a lot of, little, most, a little, little, a few, and few. Of course, there are some sentences that can take more than one answer. يعني في sentences رح يزبط مع many and lots of. في sentences رح يزبط مع, for example, little and a few. يعني more than one answer is suitable. So to choose one of them, يعني not all of them. Okay, yeah, let's start. Yes, Lamar and Adam.
Yes, miss. It
Okay.
seems we have
No, wait. If you want to start, wait. Some of them haven't finished. When they finish,
Oh,
I'll give you the turn, okay?
okay, miss.
Yeah, let's start. Yes, yeah, Adam.
Yes, miss. It seems we have had a few assignments in English this year.
Very good. A few assignments. Excellent. Number 2, yes, Lamar.
How do we have to read this week? How many do we have to read this week?
How many? Very good. Number 3, yes, Jude.
Many Americans don't like George Bush.
Mhm. Many Americans. Very good. There aren't very books in the library. Yalla, who will do number 4? Yes, Aya.
There aren't very much books in the library.
There aren't many books. Is better when we say many books.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
I think he drank wine last night.
A lot of.
Wine. Very good. I have had headaches already because of the stress.
Lots of.
Yes, lots of, many. I didn't use fertilizers last spring. That's why we had so weeds. Yes, Lamar.
Yes. I didn't use a lot of fertilizer last spring. That's why we had so many weeds.
Very good. It has rained very this summer. That's why the grass is so brown. If the grass is brown, it means it haven't rained a lot.
It has rained very little.
Yes, very good. Because the grass is brown, so it has rained very little. People know as much about computers as Jack does.
A few.
Few people, yes. I'm having trouble passing my driving test.
It's a lot.
A lot of trouble, yes, we can say a lot. Very good. So the answers are here, and even here you have the different answers, and you have many options. So that was everything for today. Thank you all for attending, and I'll see you on Monday. Thank you. You may
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.